So if a member of your family happens to slam their car into the front of the house, here's what you need to do. First, go out and get yourself an oscillating multi-tool. I'll put a link in the description to the one I'm using. It's from DeWalt and it works fantastic. With the multi-tool, along with the metal cutting tip, you're going to slide it behind the siding and just trim those nails right off. Once you do that, you can remove the board easily. By using the multi-tool, you save yourself a lot of time and you won't damage the rest of the boards because you don't need to use a pry bar. Use the multi-tool to remove any nails that you missed when you pulled the boards off. Then take the measurements and go to Lowe's or your building supply and get those replacement siding boards. You can probably even have them custom cut for you. So all you need to do is slide them in place. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.